Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record Discord calls with OBS 2024. So firstly, you have to go to Discord. You have to go to OBS first. Then you have to click on this scene, the plus icon, and take another scene, scene 2, or you can rename the scene here. Click on this, and you'll find here the sources option. Click on plus to the sources option, and you'll find here audio input capture. Click on this and the name should be audio input capture is Discord audio. Now click on, make sure that your this should be ticked. Okay, if you find this unticked, make sure it is ticked. Make source visible, click on OK. Now you have to choose the default device, choose the microphone, click on OK. Okay, now you can see the desktop audio is here. You can slide the audio to increase the volume or decrease the volume. You can see the Discord audio. If you want to increase the volume, you should slide right, and if you want to decrease the volume, you have to slide left. Okay, so after doing these settings, you have to click on start recording. Click on yes. After complete the recording of calling, you can stop recording, and you can see the file here. Go to file and you'll find show recordings, and you'll find all of your recordings here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.